So the construction is continuing, and we're planning on opening up the daycare on August 1st. As you can see, there's a new fence here in the grass area of our church. This is going to be the new playground area of the daycare, and we'll give you a little bit of a sneak peek of what this looks like. As you come inside the church here, you can maybe see there's new carpet being put in. Things are still being torn apart here, but if you come over here, there's going to be a new elevator that's being put into this shaft. It's not quite ready yet, but we're getting there. I'm going to just take you down the stairs with me. There's new flooring in here, there's new electrical being put up, new lights, there'll be T-bar ceiling here. Things are still very much under construction. This is the main room of the children's ministry center, as well as the daycare. When you come up to me upstairs. So the east side of the church, this is actually the new entryway of our daycare. New doors is going to be put on here any day now. And as we come along the corner here, this is going to be the new storage center that has been created for both the church and the daycare. Every single day there's new stuff happening, there's new stuff being put in. We're getting closer and closer, and we look forward to opening this to both the daycare and the church.